You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to solve the problem that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen. And the question says we should that a small bracket is shown in the plan and elevation. Draw the given view and project from them a first auxiliary elevation on x prime, y prime, and a second auxiliary plan on x2, y2, right? Now, what we are going to do here is to reproduce the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen first of all. So let's do that first. Now, like I always tell you, right? Um, you're going to take your t square or your set square, any of them, right? Your t square, your set square, any of them. And you're going to draw a vertical line in this fashion. Faint line first. You can see that? Faint line first. Then after that, the total height of that figure is given to be 24 plus 76. And when you add 24 plus 76, you're going to be having 100 altogether. So that means the entire height is 100. So I will start by measuring the entire height, which is 100. So I want to kick off from this position here. I want to kick off from here, right? This is my point zero here, right? So this is where I want to kick off from. This is zero here. Can you see that? I'm starting from zero and I will end at where 100. So that is what the entire height is. Then on that point that I've marked, I'm going to draw a horizontal line this way. And on the other point too, I'll do the same thing, another horizontal line this way. Hope you can see that. Now, that is the total height that we have here. Let me complete this. Now move forward. Now the total length here given to be 88. You can get that from the plan here, right? 88. So I'm going to measure 88 from the baseline here. From this point, I'll measure 88. From 0, this is 8, 88. Right? Then I'm going to draw my vertical line this way. Then from here now, we'll start. From this point to this point here is 24, which is this point somewhere around here. So I'm going to measure 24. So from 0 to 24 is 20 and this 24 here. Right? And I'll take it up this way a little bit up. And the height from here to here is also 24. So I'm going to still measure 24 altogether. So from 0 to 24. Can easily thicken it out. I can also thicken here too to save our time. Now from here to here is from here to somewhere around here. That's the highest point. And I also thicken it out. From here to here. You can see that. Now the next thing is from here to here is from here to somewhere around here. I've also taken it out. You can see that. And from here to here, the thickness, which is from here to somewhere around here, and that is 12. I'm going to measure 12 out. From 0, this is 12 here. Now taking it out. You can see that. Now the next one is from here to here is from here to here, which is 12. So and it's from this point somewhere around here. So I also measure 12 at this point here. From 0 to 12. You can see that? From 0 to 12. Then I'll bring it down with my faint line. Just a little bit from here first. Faint line. And I'll close it up from here to here, which is from here to here. You can see that? Then I'll now close it up too. Then I'll tick in here also. Hope you can see that. Now, here to here is joined by a web. Hope you can see that. So we have successfully drawn out the front elevation. The next one is now the plan. I'm always saying that you leave a space of at least 10 from this main figure here downward. This is the 10 here all together, and you project this one down this way. Now from the plan, from here to here is closed up, so I'll close it up right this way. Then the height of the plan is 76, so I am going to measure 76 from here. Is 0, 75, 76 here. So I can easily just stick in it because it is closed there. Right? And I'll close it up too. From here to here. I'll also close it up too. From here to here. Hope you can see that. Now this thickness you see here is the same thickness as this point here too. So I'll just generate the point from here. Front line, but here, from here to here, we'll now tick in. You can see that. Now the web here is at the center here, right? It's also 12. So what I'll do is I'll get the middle of that 76, which is 38. So from this point, I'll measure 38. Or better still, to get the center of this figure, we join the diagonals. From here to here, there will be a line here. And from here to here, there will be another line here. So where they meet is the center of that figure, which I'm going to draw my horizontal line this way. So what I want to do, this is the center line here, right? This is where the center of the figure is. That's how you can get the center of the figure without measuring. Are we together? So we are told that it is what? It is 12. So what I'll simply do here is I'll measure 6 in both sides. So put it this way. From 0. Hope you can see that. This is 0 here. Then I'll measure 6 to the left, 6 upward, and 6 downward. and I'll now join it to this point here. Then join this to this point here. You can see that. So this line you see here is just the center line here. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Right? So then this you see, this hidden line you see is this figure here. So let's bring it down to get that hidden line from this point here. To get the hidden line from here. So front line, see, or long dash 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 like this. Right? So we have successfully drawn out the figure, as you can see from the given diagram. Now the next thing is for we to draw out our first. We should draw out what? The first auxiliary elevation on x1, y1. So this is the plane of x1, y1. When they say elevation, we're going to project what? The plan. All together now. So let us project the plan first of all and see what we are having. So at an angle of what? At an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. So we are making use of this. Out we're together here. This is what we're using to project 5 degrees. So I'll come here at every edge. Let's use the mighty square this way. I'll project this. I'll come here. I'll project this. Right. I'll come here. I'll project this. I'll come here. All the edge you're going to project. I'll project this. All the corners. For 5 degrees, I'll come here. I'll project this. Right. Then here also. I'll do this. Here also. I'll do this. Here also. I'll do this. Here too. I'll do this. Here too. I'll do this. Then this also. You can see that. This is the first thing you are going to do. So let me make it more wider here so you can see what I'm trying to talk about here. So if I remove all this way, right? So this is what we have, right? So we'll proceed. Now after doing this, is that taken? You need to draw a freehand sketch of what this will look like to enhance your understanding. It is not necessary, but it is mandatory for you to at least draw a freehand sketch and to see how this figure will look like. So I'll do that. I'll draw it in isometric, but you can use a freehand sketch. You don't have to construct it. Just freehand sketch how this will look like when you assemble it together. And this is what we'll be having here. So this is what we have here, right? This is when the figure is facing forward. This given figure here, here is facing backward, here it is facing forward, right? And I have two of it. The other one is when it is facing backward. Hope you can see. This is behind this figure, and this is the front. Is that taken just for your understanding? Now I will number this. Let's start numbering. See what I want to do? I'll say this is 1, this is 2, right? Then if you look at 2, 2 is moving. At this point, I'll call it point 3. Go up to point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7. I'll call it to be 8 and 9. I'll call it to be 10. Right? Where this line and this line meet will be 11. Here is 12. Here is 13. You can see that. You can call it to be 14. Here to be 15. This point here to be 16. Here to be 17. Right? Where this hidden line, what we cannot see here, meets this hidden line, right? Where this meets this 16, this 17 here, where they meet 17, down here is what 18 altogether. Now where this line here meets this up one here is what 19 altogether. So this is 20, this is what 21. Hope you can see that. So what I'm making you understand here now, if I turn this figure the other way around, right? This 19 you're seeing here is what we cannot see when you turn it back. So this will be 19 that you cannot see. Here is the 14. Here is the 6, right? And under the 19, we have the 5 up here. So this at the back you cannot see. The hidden line at the back. This 19 you cannot see. This is it here when you turn this the other way around. Altogether, there's nothing trickish about here. Is that taken? Here you see 12. If you turn it back, you'll be having it here. Should we move forward? So I only did this just to give you access to what is behind. So let us move forward. Now, we're focusing on this and see what will happen. Now, if you look closely now, this is facing the other way around, right? So if it's facing the other way around, this is what we are having this way. Can you see that? So let's just start naming them. From the elevation, this is our elevation. You're looking at it from the side, right? So we have the end here, which is this end here. Let's start from there. Here is 6. So if you're looking it straight like this, 6 and 5 on the same line, so I'll call it 6,5. Right? Then the next one is what? 7. This is 7 here. 7 on the same line. We're having 7, 8, 9, and 4. 7, 8, 9, what? 4 on the same line. Can you see that? We're coming from back. Then coming down 6 here, we have 14. 14 at the base here. 14 on the same line with 19. So 14, what? 19. Out there. Now we'll go to the next point here, which is this, and that is 12. 12, 10, 11, and 3 on the same line. So 12, 10, 11, 3 on the same point here. How good? So we'll move to here is 16. I have 16, 16 and 17 on the same point. 16 and what? 17 on the same point. 16, 17, right? On the same point. Now we'll come down here. 15, 18. We have 15, 18, right? Then we move to the next point here, which is 20. 20, 12, 13, and what? And 2. So we have 20, 12, 13, 2 on the same line like this. The other one is all 21 and 1. We have 21, 1, right? So what else again do we have? So that is all we have here, looking at it from this side here. Now let's now go to the plan. Looking at the plan, looking at it from the top, what are we going to see? Now remember this top here. Let's start from this side, the longest side. Right, this is the longest side. So this is 6. Right? So when you carry this image now, you lift it up and you place it on this, right? So this here will be 6 at this end. 5 at this end, right? We look at 6 now. 6, looking from the top, 6 comma 14 on the same line. 5 comma what? 19 on the same line. Start again. So after 6 comma 14, the next one is what? 7 and what? 7 and 17. Is that again? 7 and 17. So I'll come to the next point here. I'm having 7 comma 17. 7 comma 12, sorry. 7 comma 12. Right? That is for 7 comma 12. The next one is 8 comma 10. 8 comma 10. This one is what? 9 comma 11. 9 comma 11. This one is what? 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 3. Can you see that on this line here? We're looking at it from the top. So the next one we have again is 16 comma 15. That is a hidden line. We cannot see it. This one down here. So this will be 16 comma 15. So go to the end there. We have 17 comma what? 18. 17 comma 18. Right, so we'll move again. On the same line of 16, we have 20 comma 21. Then we go here, we have just 12. We have just 13. Then we have 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, looking at it from this side. So this is how we number them. It helps you in getting what you want. So to explain better, is you're taking this and placing it on it. So it's facing behind this way, right? If it's facing here, so it's as easy as that. So meaning that so it's just the same thing, just meaning that the end here will be what? 6, right? This will be 6, and this will be what? 6 straight down. Under 6 we have what? 14. Let me see what I'm doing here. So 6 and we have what? 14. The other one will be 5, then 19. 5, then what? 19. You can see that? So we'll still move at the other end. So we have here to be 12. This is 7 here. And this is what? 4 here. Then this point here, you see 7, under 7 we have 12. Then we have 16. And we have 15. Then we have 20, 21, 12, 13, 2. There's one under, we cannot see the 2 when you take this hidden line here, and that is the 2. That is the one we're having here. So all these things are just hidden lines. So this is when you're looking at it from behind. So let's just go back to this and let's start drawing our drawing. So we'll move. We're told it's an angle of the angle is given to be angle 45 degree, right? So if you use 45 degree to project, let me extend this more. Let me extend this more. Now if you use 45 degree to project this way, you must use 45 degree to counter it so you have 90 degree. That's what we are going to be having here. Let me start from here. So production space. This is what we have here. This will be x1, y1. That again. So I can get my x1, y1. I can make the base of this figure here to be x1, y1, depending on what I want. I make this base here to be x1, y1, or I can just get the middle of this figure here. So this is what I have here. So this will be my xy, x, y. Whatever measurement I take, I'll take it from xy. Is that taken now? So let's start and see how it goes. I'll get into where it is getting interesting. So from here, remember you project from here, take a measurement from here. So if I from here at this point, I come to 19 to this point here, 14 and 19. So I'll go to the point of 14, which is this line. I'll place it here and I'll mark. So that point is 14th. Point what? Point 14. Right? The same measurement is on point 6 or after 14. Right? We have what? 19 at this point here. So I'll come to where 19 is here. I'll choose it also. And this is 19. So you see that? Then the next one I'll do is I'll come from here also, the reference line. I'll go up to 5 and 6. I'll come to where 5 is. This is where 5 is. I'll trace it on this point. I'll mark point 5. Then I'll come to where 6 is. I'll place it here also. I'm going to mark point 6. So this is 5. And this is what? 6. So let's see from our diagram. Let's see what is happening there. What we have here, 5 is connected to 6. So I'm going to connect 5 and 6 together this way. And also 19 is connected to what? Let's see for 19. This 19 is connected to what? To 5 too. 19 is connected to 5 from here to here. Right? And also 6 is connected to 14. 6 is connected to what? 14. So I'll come here. 6 is connected to 14. We'll put it this way. You can see that. And 19 to 14. This is 19, this is 14. So I'll connect it. 19 to 14. Can you see that? So proceed. Now I'll come again to the next point that I'm interested in from this reference point here to here. Can you see that? And at this point, we have 12 on that point. I'll go to where 12 is here. This is where 12 is here. And I'll trace it. This is on the reference point. And I'll mark for 12. So this is for 12. Then the next one is 10. I'll go to where 10 is on that spot there. This is where 10 is. I'll take it there. And I'm going to mark 10. Remember, this is 12. Right? And this is 10 here. So here is 10. Right? The next one after 10, we have 11. You go to where 11 is. This is 11. You trace it. Place it here. And mark. Here is 11. How good? The next one is what? 3. I'll go to where 3 is. This is where 3 is. I'll mark. Take it to where 3 is. I'm going to mark. And this is where 3 is. Hope you can see that. Now what do you notice from our diagram? Let me first of all round up this. So the next thing is from here also the same reference point. I'll move it up to the next guy here. And the next guy comprises of 7, 8, 9, and 4. So look for 7 first of all here. This 7, I'll take that point. 7 is at this point. Can you see? This point 7 here. The next one is 8. This 8 here. I'll place it here. This is where point 8 is. The next point is 9. This is 9 here. I'll take it to 9. This is where point 9 is. The next one is 4. I'll take it here and trace the point of 4. So taking trace the point of 4 here. Now mark. This is where point 4 is. Altogether 4. Now let's now join those points since we're done with this. Now if you look this closely, 12, 13, 11, and 3. Let's see 12. 12 is connected to um is connected to 10, right? 12 is connected to 10. This is 12 here. 12 is connected to 10, connected to 11 and 3. So the three of them are what connected. I'll join them like that, this way. So at the end of the video, I'll show you which one of them is a faint line there, right? Now the next one is 12, 10, 11, and 3. We were done with that. The next one is 7, 8, 9, and 4. We have still that same 7, 8, 9, and 4. They're all on a straight line. So 7, 8, 9, and 4. I'll extend this to here. Can you see? So from here, 12 that we have here, where are you? It's connected to 7. 12 is connected to 7. I've done that. You are taking 12 is also connected to 10, 11, and 3. 12 is also connected to this is 12 here, right? It's connected to what? 7. So this is it here. Let me use my faint line first. And also 12 is connected to 10. I've done all this one also. Now the next one is 8 is connected to 10 this way. 8 is connected to 10. You can see that. 8 is connected to 10. So I'll come here, my 8 to 10. Right? And also 9 is connected to 11. 9 is connected to 11. You can see that. Then what else again? 4 to 3. 4 is connected to 3. 4 to 3. Then what else again? That's what we have there. 4 to 5, we've not done all this one, and so on and so forth. So we'll move forward. Now, we're done with this. We'll now go to the next point also. And point 3 is connected to 2. So we'll have more issue there. So I'll come here. From this reference point, I'll place it here. Right? I'll now go to where 15 is. This is where 15 is. I'll trace it. Place it here. Point 15 is here. So this is point 15. Right, with the same measurement. The next one is what? 18. Go to where 18 is. It is 18. I'll trace it here. This is where point 18 is. I will know 15 from our diagram here. 15 is connected to what? 18. So I'll just draw it this way and connect 15 to 18. This is 15. Straight down to 18. I'll use straight line first. Now aside that, we'll move forward. And that same 15 is connected to 16. That same 15 connected to 16. Have I got that of 16? Not yet. So move forward. From the same reference point here, take it to 16, 17. So this is 16, 17. I'll look for where 16 is. This 16, I'll take it there. 16, I'll take it there. And I'll mark. That is point 16. Then the next point is 17. I'll take it there. That's point 17. So we have 15 is connected to 16. Put it this way, faint line. And also 18 is connected to 17. 18 to 17. I'll take it there. Right? 17 is connected to 16. Let's see. 17 is connected to 16. You can see that. So 17 to 16 this way. Then 17 connected to 16. And we have 17 is still connected to 1. We don't have 1. 17 is connected to 18. Right? We've already done that already. Then we have 19 to is connected to what? 5. 19 is connected to 5. We don't have 5 yet. Okay, yes, we have 5 from here. It's already there. 17 to 3, let's see. We have 17 to 18, 17 to 1. So we'll move forward. Right? So there's no new thing here. We have so we'll move forward. Now come again. We're done with this. We'll come again here. And to the next point, which is this. I place it at the reference point and I take it to 21. Can you see that? I'll trace here where 21 is first of all. Where 21 is, right? I'll trace it to that point. I'm going to mark 21. 21 is on this point. I'll come again. I have 1. I'll go to where 1 is. This is where 1 is. I'll trace it. This is where 1 is. That's my number 1. Right? So we know that 1 is connected to 21. Can you see that? So I'll just connect it together. 1 is connected to 21. This is 21 here. And 1 is connected to it. Can you see that? Now the next one is also 1 is connected to 2. Don't have 2 yet. 1 is connected to 2, 21 is connected to 20, and so on. So let's move forward. From here, the reference point, I'm going to take you to this point here, where that has point 20, 12, 13, and 2. So I'll go to 20, this line of 20. I'll place it here, is on this point. The same point as 3, 3, 20. Right, the next one is 12. I'll go to where 12 is. I'll trace it. This is where 12 is. My point 12. Right, then the next one is 13. I'll go to where 13 is. This is where 13 is. I'll mark is my 13. Right, I'll go to where 2 is. This is where 2 is with the same measurement. I'll place it here. This is my 2. Here's my 2. So 20, 12, and 13 are connected. You can see from diagram 20, 12, 13, and 2 are connected. So I'll just go 20, 12, 13, and 2 are connected. 20, 12, 13, and 2. 20, 12, this 12, 13. So from here to here, they are all on a straight line. Can you see that? Now the next thing is 2 and 1 is connected. 2 and 1 is connected. Alright. Then the next thing is 20 and 21 is connected. 20 and 21 is connected from here. Right. Then the next thing is we have 9 and 13 is connected. It is 9. Now where's my 13 here? This 13 here. So 9 and 13 is connected. Right. 8 and 12 is connected. 8 and 12 is connected. This 8, this 12. All together. And what else again? So this is what we have here. So let me take in what we are supposed to be having. So let me take it out. So all this is coming out this way, right? Right, right. Now we have this way. We have 9 and 5. We look for 9 and 5 here is hidden line. So I can use my hidden line here. So let me make from 9 to 5 to be hidden because it's behind, right? You're looking at it from here. If you're looking at it from here, this is 9 and 5. You cannot, this figure will be blocking them. So it's hidden. So I'll make it hidden. Let me clean here off. So then just 9 and 5 from here to here. 19 and 5. This will be short, 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 short. This left away. This will be hidden line. You can see that. Then you can just take in from here straight down here. Right, I can also take in from here too, straight down here. Right, then I can see 9 and 11 ought to be hidden. So you can see that if you're looking at it, 9 and 11 they are behind the figure. If you're looking at it from here, 9, 11, you cannot see this point, which is confirming it. 9, 11 is hidden. So I'm going to make this 9 and 11 to be what hidden. So let me clean it off. So I'm making it hidden. Now see that? So 7 is there. 7 and 12. 0.7 and 12. This is 12. Right? And where's my 7? You see them. So let me just make it out. And here out 2. Then 4 and 21. 4 and 21. This 21 here. You look for 21. I mean 4 and what? From here, this is 14 or 4. 4. 3 down to 3. Right? 4 and 3. You can't see this figure will be blocking it. So 4 and 3 ought to be hidden too. So let's make that 4 and 3 to be hidden. So 4 and 3. I'll just come here and have this. Right? And let's bring it down. So this is what we have. Can easily take in this way. We'll see them briefly. Right? That's what we have there. So this is the auxiliary. That is the first auxiliary what? First auxiliary plan. So taking that is the first auxiliary what? Elevation that we're drawing. First auxiliary what? Elevation. Now the next question here says that we should draw the second auxiliary plan. You should know one thing. When we are told to draw the first auxiliary elevation, we projected the plan and we took our measurement from where? From the elevation. Now we are told to draw the second auxiliary plan. Now we'll project our diagram here, right? I'll take our measurement from where? From the elevation. All together now. So if they have not said second auxiliary plan, they have said first auxiliary plan, they are not simply projected from the elevation. So let's just save time and proceed. So if you look at the angle here is at an angle of what? 60 degree. So if it's 60 degree that the angle is, this will be at an angle of what? 30 degree. So let's not make that mistake. So I'll come here, I'll project this, I'll project this. All these points I am going to project at 30 degree. All these points. All the points we have. All the points where there is no point, you are not to project. Is 21 here, 17 here, 18, 17, then what else again? Have we not done? We've actually done everything. Then remain one here, point 1. That is what we have here. Now, we've put it with 30 because here is 60. This angle 60 here. Then just put it here. Are we good? That is angle 60. So meaning that the angle at this point here, look at what they're showing you, is 60 degree to the horizontal. This is my horizontal here. Here is 45 degree to my horizontal. And this is my horizontal here. All together. So we start. So this is my x2, y2 plane. So what are we going to do? The same thing we do every night, trying to take over the world. So let's proceed. Now the next thing you now do is you draw a parallel line. You know you use 45 degree for this. You're still going to use that 45 degree. Can you see that? To connect it to this point here. That will be your new XY plane. Right, this is my XY plane. That is where I'll be taking my measurement from. So let's start and see how it goes. So if I from here, I'm going to move this to this. First of all, this is 5 and what? 19 at this point. Right? 5 and what? 19. So let me take you to where 5 and 19 is. This is 5 here. The second line is on the plane. That is 0.5. Right? The next one is 19. This is 19 here. That is 0.19. All together. Now proceed. Now the next one is we'll go to the next point. Let's see, we're moving from this point to 9 and 11. Can you see that? So I'll go to where 9 and 11 is. This is 11. I'll trace 11 to the point of 11 here, and I will mark. That will be my point what? 11. Then um it's remaining 9. I'll go to where 9 is. This is 9, and I'll trace it to this point. This is point 9 here, and that is what? 9. All together. Now we know that 5 and 9 are they connected? Let's see. 5 and 9. We know 5 and 19 is connected because they're on the same point. Then 9 and 11 is also connected because they're on the same point. So I'll just put it this way. Faint line, 9 and 11. What about 9 and 5? Let's look at 9 and 5. This is 5. This is 19. Right? So 9 and 5 is not connected. What about 19, 11? So 19 and 11 is not connected. So proceed. Right? So we proceed. So if I've done the next, go to the next point also. I'll do the same thing from here to this point. 8 and 10. I'll trace it to where point 8 is. This is 10 first of all. Let's do for 10. This line. Right. I'm going to mark on the line of 10. So this is 10 here. Then this one is what? 10 and what? 8. This is 8 here. So I'll trace it to that point. And I'll mark 8. And this is 8 here. Can you see that? So since 10 and 8 on the same point, I'll combine 10 and 8 together, faint line. Right? 8 and 9, let's see if 8 and 9 is connected. 8 and 9 is connected, 10 and 11 is connected. So 10 and 11 is connected, faint line. 8 and 9 is connected, faint line. Can you see that? So go to the next point. From here, we're done with these 2 points here. Right? We started with this. We went with this, then we have this also. 16 and 15. So I'll go to where 16 and 15 is 15. I will mark. That will be my point 15. Then where 16 is 16, I'll place it here, I'll mark. This will be my point 16. All together. Now I'll come again to this point from here to 7 and 12. To every point you have there. So 7 and 12, I'll go to where 7 is. This is 12. Let me do that of 12 first. This is 12. So let's go to that of 7. And this is 7. Are we good? 7 and 12. Now we know 7 and 12 is connected together. So let me, and where's my rule? 7 and 12 is connected together. Faint line. 15 and 16 is connected together. Faint line. Right? See what I'm doing? So we'll move forward. And we'll come from 14 to 6. Can you see that? So I'll go to where 14 is first. I will mark. This is my point 14. Then 6 is 6 here. I'll mark on the line of 6. This is 6 here. Can you see that? So 6 and 14 is connected. 6 and 14, I'll use faint line. I have my reason. 6 and 14 is connected. Alright, so we move forward. Now if I want to check something here, we have 14 and 15. Let's see before I go to the next one. 14 and 15 is connected. Yes, 14 and 15 is connected. So I can just join it this way. 14 and 15. Right? And the next one is 15 and 16 is there. 16 and 21, no. We have 14 and 6. Right? We already have it. 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 is connected. Right? 6 and 7 is connected. And 6 is connected to 14 to 19. From here to here. 14 to 19. 14 to 19. 8 to 12. 8 to 12. Right? Faint line. So we'll move forward. Then let's see what will happen. Go to the next point here. We've done all these points. We've done that of 17 also. Right? So we'll go to 17 and 8. So if I should come here, on this point here, the line of 17, this is it here. I'll go to where 17 is. This 17, the second line here. From here, right? This line. This is 17 here. The next one is what 18. This 18 here. This 18. Can you see that? So we move from here. We know that 15 is connected to what? 16, 17 is connected, faint line. 17, 18 is connected, faint line. Right? Then 15 and 18 is also connected too on the diagram. You can see this. 15 and 18 is connected in the diagram. 18, 19, 19, 14. So we have 18, 19, 18, 19 too. Is that the king? Now we'll move forward. So I'll come from here also. Get the next point. Since I've done that already, 16 and 15. I've done that. So I'll come here too. From 2 to 1. I'll come to the line of 2. I'll place it there. 2 is at this point. Then the line of 1. Place it here. 1 is at this point. I see that. Then the next one is 3. I'll be 13. From here to 13. Okay. So I'll come to 13. This 13 here, I'll trace it, place it here. And I'll mark 13. All together. I'll do the same thing for 12. This is the line of 12 here from here to this point 12. And I'll come to where 12 is. Trace it. This 12 here. And we have 12 here. So this is 12. I'll also come to 20 and 21 from this point. 20 and 21. So I'll go to where 20 is. Let me start with 21 first. This is 21 here. Right? Then I'll go to 20. 20 and 3 on the same point here. This is 20, right? And we'll start joining. So 20, 21, and 3 should all come together, right? 20 and 21 together, 12 and 13 together, then 2, 13, let's see, 2, 13, 12, and 20, 2, 13, 12, and 20, they are all on the straight line, this way. You can see that. Then 20 and 21, if you look at it, 20 and 21, where is 20 here? We have 19, 20 and 21 together, 20 and 21, 12 and 21, this is 20, 12, 13, so 12 and 20, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is there already, so what else? 21 and 16, 21 and 16, right? So we have 16 and 15 already there, 12 and 8, sorry, this is 12 here, so this is 12 and 8, so this is 22 here, 7, 22, right? This is not 12, but what? 22. This is the 12 we have here, right? So let's move forward. So we have 8 and 12. This is 8 and 12. Faint line. You can see that. 9 and 13 from here. 9 and 13. You can see that. Then we have 12 and 1. 12, 1. Let's see. No, we have 1 and 21 or 1 and 2. So 1 and 21. 1 and 21. Right. Then 1 and 2. What again? 20 and 21. We have it. Then what else again? Let me clean this off. So we've not measured 4. Look at 4 here. From here to here is 4. We go to where 4 is. This is 4 and you place it here at this point 4. So we'll now join all together. We have 4, 9, 8, 7. 4, 9, 8, and 7. They are all on a straight line. 4, 9, 8, 7. Right? 6 and 5 together. 6 and 5 together. Then 4 and 5 together. Hope you can see that. Now the next thing is we're moving forward. 4 and 17. We have this in this way. 4 and 3 together. 4 and 3. Do we have 3 here? So I've not yet brought out 3. So let's bring out 3 too. So from here to here is 3. With my compass. From here to 3. I'll go to where 3 is. This point 3. I'll place it here. I'm going to mark. So 4 and 3 is at this point here. This 3. So 4 and 3 is connected. Right? So 4 and 3 is connected here. So we're going to be using faint line because behind here. Let us use faint line first. Right? So 3, 11, 10, and 12. Let's see. 4 and 3 is connected. 3, 11, 10, and 12. 3, 11, 10, and 12 in a straight line this way. Let's try a straight line first. You can see that. Then we have point 20 and 22, right? This is 22 here. Let's not make that mistake. So 20 and 22. Point line. Is that taken? So we can thicken them out now and see what will happen. So this will be thickened from 6 to 14 will be shown. The weight is contracted. 7 to 11 to 22 will be shown. Now 21 to 6 visible. 20 to 22 visible. 15 to 16. 15 to 14. These to 19. Then from here straight down to here. Then this is thin. This also. These two. Right. Then this is the first one here to end here. Right. Then this will move from here to here. Then 12 to 10 is connected from the diagram here. 12 to 10. So from here, 12 to 10. I'll stop here. Right. And what else is remaining? The rest is hidden. Altogether, all this you're seeing inside is hidden. So either I use my hidden line to join them together. Let me just show you. So this will be hidden. We cannot see inside. All these parts here will be hidden inside here. Altogether. Hope you can see that. So let's see something here. So I can just use hidden line. You can stop here or you can use a hidden line just to show. Here can be the hidden line here. You cannot see all this part here. Neither can we see this part here. So let me just dim this a little bit. Let's do this. Hidden line. Here to hidden line. Right. Then the one in here to hidden line. So you don't really have to disturb yourself with it. This is hidden line here. Here to hidden line. And here to hidden line. Here to hidden line. And 1 and 17 is connected. Am I mistaken? So we have 1 and 17 to this point 1 and 17 here. Also hidden line. So we don't really need all those hidden lines if you want to. So what we'll just see is you can leave yours like this or you can leave it like this. So I will clean this, but you don't clean yours. So this is what we have here. So you cannot compare. This is what we have. The figure we have here. So when you're looking at an angle of 60 degree, 30 degree, right? Why is 30? Because here is 60 altogether now. So this is the first auxiliary elevation, and this is the second auxiliary plan. Are we good now? Second auxiliary plan, that's what we have there. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.